Okay, so yung given is 2x squared. Ay. 2x squared plus 6x minus 8. So, kunin natin yung roots niya. To get that, kunin natin yung itong dalawa na magiging sagot at gitna. Susulat natin si 2 at negative 8 na ang magiging gitna na sagot ay positive 6. So, kunin natin yung factor. Unahin natin 2 times 1 using negative 8. Anong factor? Pwedeng 4, 2. So, gawin natin dito. Negative 8 yan. So, parang gawin yan, dito ay multiplication, tapos yung magiging sagot niya is add. Okay. So, kunin natin 2 times 4, 8. Pangit sulat ko. So, 8. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2. Plus natin. Negative 2 plus 8. Positive 6. O, nakuha agad natin yung sagot. So, paano gagawin natin equation? Ito, sulat natin as is. X yung unahan na. So, it would be 2x minus 2. Yan yung isa. Tapos, itong isa, sulat natin as is equals x plus 4. So, ano yung x1? 2x minus 2. Yan natin polynomial. 0. To get the value of x, transfer natin to. So, it would become 2x equals to 2. Equals yun equals to 2. So, para makuha natin yung value ng x, i-divide niya natin siya sa 2. 2. Cancel. This one. 2 over 2 is 1. So, x equals to 1. x1 yan. Yan yung isang unang root natin. Tapos ito, yan natin polynomial yung equation. X plus 4 equals to 0. Lipat natin siya dun. So, x equals to negative 4. X is to 2. To check kung tama yung value natin, 2x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 4. separate. Multiplication tayo. And ito ay 2x squared plus 8x tapos ito minus 2x plus minus 8. So, perform natin. Ito, wala naman siyang kapartner. So, 2x squared. Ito, tsaka ito. Perform natin. 6x. Ito, wala naman. Equals to 8. Same siya sa given. Taran! Tama na siya. Okay? Tama na siya.